Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And Drizzle Beauty reached out to me and asked if they could send me some stuff and to just kind of take a look at their site, and I chose some gel products. So I said, surprise me, I just want it to be gel. So they sent this kit, and this is an everything collection. I'm not gonna read this to you, but has 18 colors, some top coats, base coats, and it's okay. Here are the colors. So again, this is the everything collection. I'll turn this down. So yeah, this kind of makes sense. You kind of have like your fall wintry colors, your bright summer, then you have your normal kind of spring colors, and then you have a black and white, it looks like. Okay, first off the bat, packaging on point. I also like that the color is on the front. So not only does it have it, but it has the name and the color. Now these are pretty small bottles. Let's see. 0.21 fluid ounces. Let me open this. I just had cuticle oil on, so. Ooh, that is bright. Ooh, yes. Okay. Yes. Looks like a nice cream. Okay, let me grab another gel polish. So I also featured Pine, and they are 0.25. So Pine and this one, which is DRIZZLE, only has 0.4 more in the bottle. So that's for reference and size. People like Madam Glam, so do I. Madam Glam size. And this size is 0.5. So this is almost 3 times as much for this. And then OPI, which I know a lot of people have reference to in their mind, is also a 0.5. So that is the size comparison. I'm gonna pull these out. All right, so it does come with an instruction manual. I know how to do gel nails, so I don't need that. But the base top and matte top coats seem pretty big. This is 0.51, so this is a normal size bottle of matte and base coat and top coat. So I do like that. I have to say, I like that they come with full size here versus the full size in the polishes, because you're obviously going to be using this so much, where the polishes, you're probably going to wear them maybe once, and then you'll move on to another color and then come back and revisit it. So I feel like it's one of those things that it's not necessarily, you have to have huge gel polish, especially for me, but I do want to point out it is a smaller amount. They also sent some chromes. I asked for the chromes. That's the only thing I specifically asked for, because they looked real nice. All right. Again, another little booklet. Okay. So this is obviously a kit, because it actually has all of the names listed here. Even though you're blown out, you're not gonna be able to see them. We have a gold one. I do wish, since these are all labeled under here, I wish the brand was on here. For someone who buys a ton of different products, I'm gonna wish that's on here. All right, let me open these so I don't drive myself. All right, so what I like off the bat is gold, silver, rose gold, a black, a hollow, and a glitter hollow. So I think this is a really great collection as far as using specific colors, because this would probably be my most used one. Are they sealed? Again, I have cuticle oil on, so. And I don't want to spill the preciousness. Wow, that's actually quite a bit of product. Am I gonna spill it everywhere? Oh, I feel like half the stuff you get off AliExpress, well, I can show you what you get off AliExpress. Okay, I'll show you. That's all the product in there. Granted, you don't need a lot, but that's a lot of product. All right, I'm going to do swatches, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for you guys because we will be here literally forever. There are so many, what did it say, 18 different colors. So I'm gonna put some music on and we are going to get to swatching.
While we were swatching, I just wanted to let you know DRIZZLE was kind enough to give you guys a discount. So I will go ahead and link all that information below and have the coupon code at the end of the video for you guys, as well as in the description box. So enjoy the swatching.
Hello, welcome back. I literally could not make anything look correct in the shot, so because there's so many colors, but I'm thoroughly impressed with these. I mean, these were one coat. I mean, you guys saw when I was swatching, so these are just cured. They look exactly the same as when I was swatching, so I figured I'm not gonna show them all because that would be kind of counterproductive or redundant. But these neons are so neon. I'm really impressed. These have great payoff, and honestly, since you can pretty much get away with one coat coverage on every single one, like literally every single one was a one coat coverage, these bottles are gonna last you forever. Especially if you're like me, you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're at home, you know, this would be a great quarantine set, I'm just saying. So I will go ahead and link them below, and the chrome powders were really, really cool as well. I'm glad I asked for them because I don't really have anything like Oh, sorry, it got stuck. I just scratched that one. But what I would recommend with these specific chrome powders is to use them over a respective color. So if you have a silver, use the silver over silver, even the hollows, gold over gold. And then what you would do is you would top coat, like if you're using a glitter, you would top coat the glitter, encapsulate it, and then use the chrome on top. I think that would look the best with these chromes. So thank you guys. Thank you, DRIZZLE, for sending these over. Again, I'll have all the details below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.